In this video, we are going to revise space technology. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin space technology, tools and systems for space exploration and Earth applications. India's space journey started in the year 1963. Sounding rocket Thomba ISRO established in the year 1969, Aryabhatta 1975. First satellite. Economic impact 2025 $8.4 billion in the year 2024. Projected $13 billion by 2025, 0.4% of GDP. Significance communication, navigation, Earth observation, national security, orbit. Geostationary Earth orbit GEO. Altitude nearly 35,786 km. Stationary related to Earth equatorial plane. Uses telecom GSAT 17 weather broadcasting. Pros: no tracking needed, wide coverage. Cons: high latency, limited polar visibility. Low Earth orbit LEO altitude 160 to 1000 km, ISS nearly 408 km, orbital period 90 to 120 minutes, speed nearly 7.8 km per second. Uses Earth observation, Earth observation satellite US-04, Internet Starlink. Pros: low latency, high resolution imaging. Cons: limited coverage, space debris. Minimum Earth orbit (MEO) altitude 2000 to 35,706 km, GPS nearly 20,000 km, 20,200 km. Uses navigation, GPS Galileo. Communication. Pros: lower latency than GEO, wider coverage than LEO. Cons: radiation hazards, high cost. Molniya orbit elliptical perigee nearly 500 to 1000 km, Apogee nearly 40,000 km. Uses high latitude communications surveillance. Pros: long dwell times over polar regions. Cons: limited low latitude coverage. Polar orbit altitude 200 to 1000 km, inclination 90 degree. Uses global Earth observation, weather monitoring. Cons: high fuel needs, multiple satellite required. Sun synchronous orbit SSO altitude 600 to 800 km, sun synchronized. Uses remote sensing, environmental monitoring. Cons: limited to specific observation times. Geostationary transfer orbit GEO elliptical perigee 200 to 600 km, Apogee nearly 35,706 km. Uses transition to GEO interplanetary missions. Pros: energy efficient. Cons: onboard propulsion dependency. Lagrange point definition: stable points balancing gravitational forces. It's called Lagrange point. Stable points balancing gravitational forces. Types: L1 solar observation, example SOHO. L2 space telescopes, example James Webb. L3 rarely used communication ISOs. L4 L5 asteroid studies. Pros: minimal fuel, ideal for observation. Cons: communication delays, precision required. Satellite types: natural moons Europa, artificial ISS GSAT Aryabhatta. Components: antenna, power source GNC, payloads bus. Types of satellite: Earth observation EOS-04, Cartosat 2, remote sensing ResourceSat 3, ReSat 1, geostationary GSAT 70, GSAT 30, commercial LVM3, Eutelsat. Special purpose Navstar GPS spy satellite. Small satellite macro set, youth set, less than 180 kilogram. Collision prevention tracked by ISRO, NASA, rare collision example 2009 US Russia. Launch stations in India, VSSC Thiruvananthapuram established in the 1962, PSLV GSLV sounding rocket. SDSC Sriharikota established in the 1969, primary ISRO launch site. Abdul Kalam Island DRDO missile testing. Kulasekarapattinam upcoming for commercial SSLVs. Spaceflight travel beyond Earth's atmosphere. Types crewed ISS Soyuz uncrewed satellite probes. Uses exploration, satellite deployment, research. Spacecraft types observatory, Chandra Spizo. Trek demonstration, Deep Space 1, flyby Voyager 1 and 2. Orbiter Chandrayaan and Cassini. Atmospheric landing Huygens, Mars Pathfinder. Manned Soyuz Space Shuttle. Rocket and propulsion, solid fuel. Simple, reliable use to booster missile. Cons, uncontrollable, lower ISP. Liquid fuel, high efficiency, throttleable, example Saturn V Falcon. Cons, complex and costly. Hybrid fuel, safe, throttleable, used in sounding rockets, space tourism. Cons, lower performance. Green propellant, eco-friendly, example ionic liquids, cryogenic. Pros, low toxicity, sustainable. Cons, high research and development, cost, lower ISP. Sounding rockets uses upper atmosphere research, microgravity experiments. Pros, low cost, quick development, 3 months. Ranges 50 to 250 km, inaccessible to satellite balloons. This is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment sections. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that UPSC focused videos keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.